Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE S61 Pro and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and then we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Here let's tap on languages and input and tap on languages at the top. And as you can see, this is the list of all kind of currently applied languages. So this is the shortcut of the languages which we are most frequently using. So maybe let's start with adding another one. So let's tap on simply add a language. And here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So just find yours and tap on it. Let me choose maybe Greek. Let's tap on it. Of course, choose the region if you can. And as you can see, the Greek language has been immediately applied to this list, but the English is still a main one. So all we have to do right now is to basically reorder the languages so the Greek will be at the top. All we have to do is to tap on it and hold it, and now let's drag it to the first position. And as you can see, from now on, the whole system, the whole menu will be displayed in the chosen language. Let me show it to you again. Tap on it, hold it, and drag it to the first position. And again, we've got English. Of course, you can also remove the languages from this kind of shortcut list. Simply tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Let's mark the languages just by tapping on them and tap on the trash bin icon in the right upper corner. Then let's tap on remove. And as you can see, we've got only English left. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.